Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a super easy ground beef pasta. If you are new here, welcome and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. For my recipe, I'm using tomato paste, cheese. For seasoning, I'm using onion powder, complete seasoning, black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, parsley, salt, fresh garlic. I'm using pasta and 6 pounds of ground beef. Now I'm cutting a bell pepper and onion into small pieces. Next, I'm scraping the cheese. I'm using butter to cook the ground beef, but if you want, you can use olive oil. Now I'm mixing all the seasonings and then add them to the meat. Next, I add salt and fresh garlic. I don't like to cook with cold water, guys. I put a liter of boiled water to cook my ground beef. Now I'm going to let it cook for 30 minutes. Let's cook the pasta. After 8 minutes, the pasta is cooked. Now I'm using a colander to strain it and adding cold water to stop the cooking. Now, the ground beef is ready to add the other ingredients, such as tomato paste, bell pepper, onion, cheese, and to finish the pasta. Look at this, guys. It's very delicious and easy to make. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoy it, don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, and share it with family and friends. See you in the next video. Ciao, ciao!